everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evie if you've never been here before, and today I'm going to be doing another KonMari / clean out my stuff with me video, and we're going to go through my skirts. We're going to do this really quickly because I have somewhere to be soon. And excuse this hair, I put coconut oil in it because I am going to shower soon, and that is another DIY thing. So let's get started. So actually we're going to do a count of how many maxi skirts I have, black maxi skirts specifically. So I'll start with this pile. 95%, or I guess 80% of my skirts are black.
Hey friends, this is future Evie. Alright, so right here we've got a simple maxi skirt with a slit on the side, as I'm showing y'all. I think it was from like Charlotte Russe a few years ago on the sale rack. I'm not sure if I kept it. My talking's a little weird in here, so I'm just going to voice over the rest of this video, just so you know. Yeah. This is a simple pencil skirt. It's got a little slit in the back, but it's very professional looking, and I've had it for quite some time. So I'm going to say I'm going to get rid of it because it's had its love, and I've had it for about 6 years. And yeah, it's from Forever 21 originally though, which is actually surprising because it's more modest than most Forever 21 things. So what we got here is a mermaid style skirt, so it kind of expands and gets loose, or it expands and gets a little shorter by like pulling on some strings, but I have worn it maybe 3 or 4 times in the past 4 years, so I'm going to get rid of it because I don't use it and it's better just to get rid of. Next, this skirt is a, I think Prana or something like that. Last time I wore it, I actually had to bobby pin it to my underwear, and it's quite big and quite simple, but way too big for me, so I have to get rid of it. But it's really good quality, so I'm going to give it to a family friend. Alright, so I got this skirt actually from Costco. It's got quite an interesting pattern on it, and it's quite hard for me to style because I like solid things. So yeah, I got some use out of it, and it wasn't too expensive, so I don't feel bad getting rid of it. So yeah, but it was a great skirt. It's a great form and everything, but just not my style.
Alright, so this next one is actually from Charlotte Russe. It kind of, if you guys can see here, it kind of has a slip that goes right mid-thigh. I think I'm going to get rid of it because it is kind of wacko to wear, and you kind of have to be careful when wearing it because it can slowly go up, even though I do normally wear Spanx underneath things. I just don't wear this that much, and I've had it for multiple years, so I just don't feel love for it anymore. Yeah.
Alright, so this one is almost exactly the same as the one from Costco, except for it's in black, and this one's from Costco as well. I think I'm going to keep it because it's nice and professional, and it's got a good fit to it. So yeah.
This next one appears really like preppy because it's looser than the other one, but it doesn't have any pleat to it. So I'm going to say get rid of it. I think it's from Costco too, as you can see. I love Costco. There's nothing really wrong with it. It's just that it's not my thing. Alright, so this one I do call my hippie skirt because as you can see, it's very flowy and it's burgundy. It's cute. I'm going to keep it because I feel like it's cool. Honestly, I didn't have as many black maxi skirts as I thought. They probably all look that way from just a little glance because most of them are black. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. And the rest of the skirts that I do own, it's like 3 different skirts I'm going to keep. I don't need to show them because I enjoy them and I wear them quite often. So they're actually in the wash, or they're from the last haul that I did that are business casual, so I need to send them now to the dry cleaners because they are expensive and nice. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little clean out series or KonMari series with me. I am having fun with it. It's also helping me be productive and seeing what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of because I am moving soon, and I will give you subscribe if you want to see more from me and more from this KonMari type thing. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye. Like this video if you liked it.